Hello, guys, and welcome back to our YouTube channel Learning Life. Today, we have a thrilling tale for you. Get ready to explore the time travel's dilemma. So, let's begin. Pelham, a brilliant physicist, had spent his entire life studying time travel. One day, he finally succeeded in building a time machine. Excited to test it, Pelham travelled back to the day his grandfather died in a tragic accident. However, Pelham soon realized that his presence in the past had altered the course of events. His grandfather was now alive, but Pelham's own existence was threatened. Pelham faced a dilemma. Should he return to his own time, erasing his own existence, or stay in the past and risk disrupting the timeline further? In the end, Pelham chose to sacrifice himself, ensuring the original timeline remained intact, but the experience left him wondering what other consequences lay hidden in the fabric of timeline. And that's the story of the time travel's dilemma. As the clock ticked on, the world moved forward, unaware of the secret sacrifice made to keep the fabric of time intact. That's a wrap for today's story. If you enjoyed this story, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you very soon. Bye. Take care.